Let's learn all my body parts today. Follow along with me. This is my head. I can nod my head yes and no. These are my shoulders. I can shrug my shoulders up high. These are my knees. These are my knees. My knees. I can bend my knees like this. These are my toes. I can wiggle my toes. These are my eyes. I can see with my eyes. These are my ears. I can hear with my ears. This is my nose. I can smell with my nose. It smells so good. This is my mouth. I can talk and sing with my mouth. These are my hands. I can clap with my hands. These are my fingers. I can count with my fingers. 1, 3, 4, 5. These are my arms. I can swing my arms around. These are my elbows. Elbows. This is my right elbow. This is my left elbow. I can bend my elbows like this. These are my legs. I can jump with my legs. These are my feet. I can stomp with my feet. This is my tummy. My tummy tells me when I'm hungry. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Let's sing it again. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Toe readers, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Can you touch your nose? Let's try it together. Great job! You did it! You know all your body parts. Yay! I know them all! This is so fun! We learned all about our body parts today. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time for more fun learning.